What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and that's a Pioneer receiver. And this thing had a problem with the speaker, uh, those relays clicking noise, like when while it was playing, and then like the speaker relays were clicking very loud, like it was going off and on and off and on kind of thing. So after opening, I found out that the problem would be here in this kit. Main secondary power supply for the main amplifier goes to that main board right there. You can see the giant capacitors are there, but all the other power supplies like 12 volt and also another power supply is right there. That's the one power supply, like 12 volt or something, and that's another one with less amperage, I guess. So that's the secondary power supply board with this voltage regulator ICs right there. So the problem would be right here, because you can see HDMI ground, HDMI plus 12 volt plus 12 volt plus 12 volt, except the main 30 volt or 35 volt for the amplifier. Except that, all the other power supplies like 12 volt and 5 volts and all are going through this board, all this digital board and all other stuff right there. So first of all, check there for the cracked in the soldering and dry soldering, that kind of thing. Mainly those voltage regulators, as you can see. There's a 7912, 7812, and the last one is 7905. So there's a 5 volt regulator. These two are the 12 volt regulators. So you gotta check them for dry shoulders and all. They don't get damage so easy. So first of all, you gotta check those pins connecting to those small boards and then connecting to this main board right there. If you are not sure about that, which one is cracked, or then solder them all three pins right there, there and there. And also do with the capacitors also. So that thing will do the job right here. In this case, mine was like dry shoulder and cracked shoulder, so I just soldered them up and now they're working fine. No clicking noise. You can see it's turned on and no clicking noise, nothing else. So that's it. But if you find voltage fluctuating or something like that, then you gotta remove those voltage regulators ICs and gotta check them separately if they're gone or they're alive. So that's it. That was a simple speaker relay clicking noise fix, easy fix. In my case, it was easy, but in your case, that may not be easy. But what you need is, you gotta first of all, you gotta check this circuit board right there, and see at the front left corner right there. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.